You are welcome to online tutorials with From Eternity the School Boy. Today we are going to take a look at mathematics. We have a question on the board. The question says, divide 5x raised to the power 4 plus 2x raised to the power 3 plus x plus 8x raised to the power 2 plus 5x minus 10 by x minus 3. This is 3, sorry. By x minus 3. Actually, this question was sent to me by one of my students. So I decided to solve it and share online. So the student was specific that I should use both synthetic and a long division. So let me obey. So let's start with what? Synthetic division. All right. Solution. Using synthetic division, we now bring out the coefficient of the terms of what we are dividing. So we have, here we have 5, 2, minus 8. Here we have 5 again, and minus 10. These are the coefficients of the terms of this, of what we are dividing. Now we want to use x minus 3 to divide this. So here now, looking at this, we have x minus 3. We equate this x minus 3 to what? 0. So x is now equal to what? 3. So we place the 3 here. Now actually, if x minus 3 is a factor of this, what will happen is that at the end of the whole thing, we have 0 as what? Remainder. But if x minus 3 is not a factor, we will not have 0. We have another number that is not 0 here as a what? Remainder. So let's go. Let's go. Now, the first thing to do is you bring down the first factor. The first coefficients. The coefficient of the what? The highest power, which is 5. We bring down the 5 here. We multiply this 5 by 3. So we now do 3 times 5. This 3 times 5 will give us what? 15. We place 15 here. We add. So in synthetic, we do what? We add up. We add. To synthesize, we do what? We add. Now let's go. 3 times 5 is what? 15. So you now add 2 plus 5 is 15 is what? 17. You multiply again. 3 by 17. It will give us 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 7 is 21. So 30 plus 21 is 51. We have 51. We have minus 8 here already. Minus 8 plus 51. That is the sentence as saying 51 minus 8, which is what? 40 what? 3. We continue multiplying. 3 times 43. Let's go. 3 times 40 is 120. 3 times 3 is 9. 120 plus 9 is 129. So we have 129 here. We add up. 5 plus 129 is 134. So we have 134. We continue multiplying by 3. 3 times 134. Let's go. 3 times 100 is 300. 3 times 30 is 90. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 300 plus 90. We have 390. Plus 12. We have 402. So we have 402 here. Now let's go. Minus 10 plus 402 is certain as saying 402 minus 10, which is 392. As we can see, we have 392 here. There's a remainder. So this is not actually a factor of what? Of this is not s minus 3. It's not actually a factor of this because there's a what? Remainder. Now let's go. Let us now get the answer. Now let's go. Remember, we will remove x and deal with what? Coefficients. Now we bring back x again. Now how do we now do that? What should be here? What should be here? Watch out. X has already divided x raised to the power 4. So what should remain here is what? X raised to the power 3. So the coefficient of this is what? What should this 5 will be coefficient of what? X raised to the power 3. So we have 5 x raised to the power 3. Now, in that order, what we have here now is plus 17 x raised to the power 2. Then plus 43 x. 43 what? X in descending what? Order 3, 2, 1. Then here we have 143. 134 plus what? 134. We have a remainder. What do we do with this remainder? We put it back here. But it will be all over what? The divisor, which is x minus 3. Because x, this could not divide, could not continue the division because there's a remainder. So we leave the answer like this. This is the answer to this question. Let's solve the same question using long division. Let's go. Solution. Now, the divisor is what? X minus 3. The divisor is x minus 3. What you are dividing is 5x is power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 10. Now let's go. This long division is just a series of divide, multiply, and subtract. So let's go. You first divide, use x to divide 5x raised to the power 4. This will give us 5x cubed. You then use 5x cubed to multiply everything, the whole divisor. So we have 5x cubed times x will give us 5x raised to the power 4. 5x cubed times minus 3 will give us minus 15x cubed. We subtract. We have this minus this is what? 0. Plus 2x cubed minus 15x cubed will give us 2x cubed minus minus, which is plus. This will give us was plus 17x cubed. Now we'll bring down everything here because there's nothing else to subtract from it, to subtract from them. We don't have minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 10. Now let's go. Let's continue. Let's go back again. We divide. X divides 17x cubed. We have plus 17x squared. Multiply again. 17x squared times x is what? 17x cubed. 17x squared times minus 3 is what? Minus 51x squared. We subtract. This will give us what? 0. Minus x squared minus 51x squared is certain as saying minus x squared plus 51x squared, which is minus 43x squared. Is certain as saying 8 minus 51, because this is sorry, this is plus, not minus. This becomes what? Plus. So we have plus 43x squared. We bring down this. We bring down plus 5x minus what? 10. So we continue dividing. X divide 43x squared. We have 43 what? X. We have 43 what? X. Then we continue, we multiply again. For 3x times x, we have 43x squared. For 3x times minus 3, we have minus, this times this is 129, minus 129x. We subtract again. This will give us what? 0. Then minus 5x minus 129x is 5x plus 129x, which will now give us plus 134x. We bring down minus 10. We'll continue. X divide 134x, we'll have plus 134. We multiply again. 134 times x is what? 134x. 134 times minus 3 is minus 3 times 100, 300, 30, 90 times 4 is 12. So we have 300 plus 90, 390 plus 12, 402. So we have minus 402. Everything will not give us what? This will give us what? 0. Subtract again here. Minus 10 minus 402 is minus 10 plus 402, which is plus 392. So the remainder is 392. This will now give us something like this, that the answer to this problem is 5x cubed plus 17x squared plus 43x plus 134. Then plus the remainder 392 all over the divisor, which is x minus 3. This is the answer to this question. This is 392. 392 over x minus 3. This is the answer to this problem. Had it been there is no remainder here, the answer would have been this. But because the remainder is 392, you put the remainder divide over the divisor. So this is the answer to what? To the question. Thank you very much for your attention. Please feel free to, if you have any question, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name is From Eternity the Schoolboy. See you next time.